that money you left in your bank account because you've convinced yourself that it is too late for you to invest this year. I've come here to tell you that it is not too late for you to invest that money. Instead of leaving that money in the bank, there are investments you can put that money, and those investments can bring you returns even before the year ends. And that is why in this video, I want to share with you 5 investments that could pay you before the year ends. Please do me a quick favor and give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that anytime I release a new video, YouTube will always send you a notification. So without wasting much time, let's dive in right away to look at the 5 investments that could pay you before the year ends. Number 1 on my list is a money market mutual fund. Money market mutual fund is a type of investment where your money and that of other investors is being pooled by a professional asset manager. And the asset manager goes ahead to invest the money into short-term and low-risk investment opportunities. They could invest in things like commercial papers, treasury bills, and bond. And when they invest in these assets and they earn returns, from that returns is where they also pay their investors dividend. The minimum investment in a money market mutual fund is 5,000 naira. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can actually invest in a money market mutual fund. And when you invest, here's exactly how you can earn dividend. Now, basically, your interest in a money market investment drops every single day, but your dividend is being paid to you every quarter. So every 3 months, your dividend will be paid to you. So assuming you invest in money market mutual fund right now, what that simply means is that before the end of this year, you could still get paid your dividend. There are lots of money market mutual funds in Nigeria that you can invest in. I mean, very good ones. We have the likes of Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund. We have ARA1 Money Market Fund. We have United Capital Money Market Fund. We also have AfriVest Plotters Fund. And there is also Meristem Money Market Mutual Fund. So these are just a few, but when you do your research, you're going to uncover more that you can actually invest in. The next investment that could pay you before the end of the year is Federal Government Savings Bond. Federal Government Savings Bond is a government-backed investment that was established in 2017. So this is a debt instrument that is offered by the federal government to individual investors where people like you and I can loan our money to the government to execute government-led projects. And in return, you are going to be paid interest. The interest they pay you is called coupon. So basically, you can invest in FGN savings bond for a period of 2 years or a period of 3 years. And you're going to be paid your coupon every quarter. So at the end of your investment cycle, all the money you invested will be returned to you. So historically, the FGN savings bond returns around 13 to 16% interest per annum. So let's assume that you are investing 5 million naira in an FGN savings bond that returns around 16% interest per annum, and you are investing for a period of 3 years. Now, what will happen is that 16% interest per annum, the government will divide it into 4 equal parts. So each part will be paid to you every 3 months. So within the year, you'll be paid 4 times. Now, the window to invest in the federal government savings bond is usually opened in the first week of every month. So if you are able to take advantage of the one of September, probably by December, your coupon should arrive. The minimum investment in FGN savings bond is 5,000 naira. So with 5,000 naira, you can get started with investing in the federal government savings bond. And at number 3, we have treasury bills. So treasury bills works more like federal government savings bond, but there is a difference, and I'll take my time to explain it. Treasury bills is a government-backed investment where you loan your money to the government for a period of 3 months, a period of 6 months, or a period of 1 year. Treasury bills are usually sold at a discount. What does that mean? Let's say, for instance, you want to invest 1 million naira in a treasury bill for a period of 1 year, and that treasury bill is returning around 10% interest per annum. So if you want to invest 1 million naira, instead of investing 1 million naira, you will invest 900,000 naira. But after 1 year, when the government wants to return your money to you, the government will return 1 million naira to you. So if you want to invest in treasury bills and still get paid before the end of this year, you can invest in a treasury bill that has a maturity period of 3 months. At number 4 is commercial papers. Commercial papers also works more like treasury bills. The only difference is that you are loaning your money to large and private companies, not the government this time around. So it's a type of investment when you loan your money to large and established companies. Think about companies like MTN Nigeria, Dangote Cement, and the rest of them. These are very big and well-established companies. So you can loan your money to these companies, and you can do that for a period of between 15 or 30 days, maximum of 270 days. So if you invest in commercial papers right now, before the end of the year, you could still get paid some interest. The minimum investment in commercial papers is 5 million naira. So this one is for the big boys and the big girls. And I know that I have those kind of people in this community. But if you don't have up to 5 million naira to invest in commercial papers, then you can make do with the other investment that I've discussed earlier, or this one I want to talk about now, and that is stocks. Stocks can also pay you before the year ends. There are companies in the Nigerian stock market that are yet to pay dividend, but you want to do your research to find out those companies. So if you are able to invest in such a company and you buy their stock before the qualification date, of course, when they are paying dividend, they will also pay you dividend. But please note that you are not just going to invest in that company because you want to earn dividend payments. Before you invest in that company, do your research about the company. Understand the company's business model. What are they selling? The product or service they are selling, is it something that people are going to need even in many years to come? You also want to check the financial health of the company. How has their revenue been over the years? What is their profit like after tax? Is it rising or is it falling? What is their debt level? What is the growth potential of the company? Is there room for expansion? Is there room for innovation? Is there room to acquire new customers or to create new products and new services? What is the management system like? These and many more are things you want to check before you invest in any particular company. So don't just go and throw your money into a particular company simply because you want to earn dividend payments before the end of the year. And apart from dividend payments, there are still stocks that if you invest in between now and the end of the year, they could still appreciate in value. Although this one, I'm not giving you any assurance that it is going to happen, because what will determine the increase in price is the market, the performance of the market. So if the market performs well, of course, there are still stocks that the price could rise before the end of the year. And that could actually help you to make money through capital appreciation. If you want to learn more on how you can invest and make money from the stock market, then be a part of my free stock investment masterclass. The link is in the video description and also in the comment section of this video. I'll pin it in the first comment of this video. So go ahead and click on that link and join the free training. Don't just go into the stock market. Acquire proper knowledge so you can avoid costly mistakes that most beginner investors make. So click on the link and join us, and I'll be waiting to welcome you inside. So these are the 5 investments that will pay you before the year ends. I would like to hear from you. Which of these investments have you already invested your money, or which one do you plan next to invest your money before the year ends? Let me know down there in the comment section of this video. So that will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Don't forget to like this video and share it. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that next time when I upload a new video like this one you just watched right now, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube. So you can rush down here, watch the video, then go ahead to implement. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.